Hey everybody, Abner Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have these Dragon Ball Z Funko Pops. So here we go with our Dragon Ball Z Funko Pops for today. This one is the Goku with the casual dress right here, number 527. And this one is King Kai and Bubbles, number 532 right there. So this one right here is the casual Goku, number 527 right here. So I think Goku doesn't need any more introduction, right? So Goku is the main hero of the Dragon Ball Z saga. As you can see, he's still rocking his Super Saiyan hair right here, pure yellow. And he has those green eyes right there. So I guess this is how Goku looks when he is out and about and he's not thinking about fighting or thinking about training. So Goku is the husband of Chi-Chi and the father of Gohan and Goten. He's wearing a orange and black jacket right here on top of a white shirt, and there are the numbers 59 on the arm of the jacket right there. So he's wearing his sneakers right here on the other side right there, and this is what he looks from the back. Oh, of course, the light green pants right there. It's a really good touch. It matches his eyes. And of course, as I mentioned, the Super Saiyan yellow hair right there. So that is Goku right there, wearing his casual clothes. Number 527, still from the Dragon Ball Z saga. So this one right here is the tandem of King Kai and Bubbles right there, number 532, still from the Dragon Ball Z series. Of course, you know King Kai right here. King Kai has his own world where the Dragon Road leads to. So King Kai lives in that world, and that is where Goku started to train with him, right? So to get more powerful. King Kai is technically a deity, and he is one of the more powerful god level characters from the Dragon Ball Z series. So of course, what's missing here is Gregory, the cricket-like character from King Kai's world, because we have Bubbles right here, the monkey who also accompanied Goku when he was training in King Kai's world. So that's Bubbles right there. Do not underestimate Bubbles, he's really powerful as well, as we have witnessed when Goku was starting his training on King Kai's world. So that is the tandem of King Kai and Bubbles right here, number 532, still from the Dragon Ball Z series. So there you go guys, with our quick unboxing and review of these Dragon Ball Z Funko Pop figures right here. Hope you like our content for today, and thank you for watching our video. So which Funko Pop figures do you have in your collection? please share with us guys and comment it down below. So please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Click the notification bell so you get notified when we upload another one of our Funko Pop reviews right here, as well as our other normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. And that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.